Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the login issues within your Character AI account. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, you will need to make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. Then open up your web browser and then type in character.ai in the address bar and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Character AI website. The login page will pop up right away. Now, if you have created your account using your Google or your Apple account, then you can click on the respective buttons. Otherwise, you can click on Continue with Email. You will now be asked to enter your email address. Just type it in and click on the Continue button, and you will be asked to check your inbox to find the verification link. Now, sometimes you will not get this email at all. However, if you check within your spam folder, you will find your login email. Once you open up this email, you can click on Report Not Spam in order to avoid future issues with Character AI login. You can then click on the inbox option and you will now find this email on your inbox. From here, you can open it and click on the Login to Character AI button to log into your account once again. Now, in case you don't get this email at all, then scroll all the way down, then click on the question mark button at the bottom right corner of your web browser and you will see the support button. You can click on this and then click on Account Issues in order to check the Trouble Logging In section to see if any article helps you resolve your issue. Otherwise, click on Submit a Ticket and you can now choose your issue and send a support email to the Character AI support team. After filling up this entire form, you can click on the Submit button, and once they receive your ticket, the email that you mention within your email address section will get a response from which you will be able to solve your login issues. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix the login issues on your Character AI account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.